Hello guys, how are you? I'm Hardeep Singh. Welcome back to your own YouTube channel, IELTS updates and recent exams. For more updates related to recent IELTS exam writing test topics, listening, reading, practice test, and speaking, you get guesswork. Please guys participate in everyday listening practice test to achieve your desired band score in your IELTS exam.
Please hit the like and subscribe button, press the bell icon for the upcoming notifications. Don't forget like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and my Facebook page as updates and recent exams.
So now guys, today we are going to talk about IELTS morning slot writing test 2 13th March 2021 for both IDP and British Council. Let's begin. IELTS morning slot 13th March 2021 India writing test 2. So now guys, today's writing test 2 question is: in the past, important knowledge of culture and history was stored in museums. Nowadays, information is freely available on internet. Therefore, is no longer need for museums. To what extent do you agree or disagree with the given statement? So guys, in this writing test 2, the examiner put question: in years, the important knowledge of culture and history stored in museums, but these days all the information easily available on internet. So that's why therefore is no need for museums. To what extent do you agree or disagree with the given statement? So guys, we will discuss both the factors in the upcoming paragraphs, but I personally disagree with the given statement. Let's begin the intro. Nowadays, the internet is used by many people to find detailed information about history and culture. It is claimed by some that museums are no longer required as all the information is available on the internet. I personally disagree with this. The following paragraphs essay will discuss why museums are essential. Let's begin the body paragraph 1. To begin with, no one can deny the fact that people cannot physically see historical artifacts on the internet. It only provides photos which most of the time are not enough to understand the actual size and beauty of the artifacts or sculptures. For example, in order to gauge the actual size of the biggest sword made in the 19th century, you have to see it in person. Photos on the screen can never give an accurate idea of the size. Secondly, every bit of information available on the internet may not be true, as some websites put up wrong information for their benefit. Conversely, museums contains information curated by the government and history experts. This will help people get actual understanding of historical events. Let's begin the body paragraph 2. In addition, museums buttress economically development in the city. To explain it in detail, the fees collected from visitors of museums would increase the revenue of the government. It is not only a source of income for the government but also provide entertainment to some people. Historical museum buildings attract a plethora of visitors. For instance, Science and Industry Museum in Chicago attracted 1 million visitors last year. This increased the popularity of Chicago around the world. Let's begin the conclusion. To conclude, I strongly disagree with the idea that museums are not required. In my opinion, the internet will never be able to physically show things. Museums provide true representation of history, culture and religion, which would not be possible with internet. Let's begin. So now guys, we are going to talk about our other modules. Firstly, we are going to talk about our writing task 1. So now guys, today's writing task 1 was a line graph. You know guys, our prediction is again true for both writing task 1 and writing task 2. If I talk about our listening module, it was easy, but on the other hand, if I talk about our reading module, it was quite moderate. Thanks for listening. Don't forget like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. IELTS updates and recent exams. For more updates related to recent IELTS exam writing test topics, listening, reading, answer key and speaking, you can guesswork. Please guys participate in everyday listening practice test to achieve your desired band score in your IELTS exam. If you want to need PDF file of this writing test too, please join my Telegram channel. The link is given below in the description. For more IELTS material, visit my official website www.ieltsupdatesandrecentexams.com. Please provide your views and suggestions below the comment section. Again, thanks for listening. God bless you all, guys. Stay tuned, stay safe.